In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Timiza app. So if you have been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from your Timiza loan app, you can go ahead and stop these notifications for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now you need to access the app information page to be able to turn off these notifications specifically for this app. And to do that, just go to settings, and my settings is here. And then from here, scroll down until you see this option called apps. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now you'll see this option called manage apps. On your phone, it might be written more apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, mine is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function on top here. Proceed and tap on it, and now you can see you are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our settings. However, if getting to this page is quite tedious or you can't find it, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, and once you find your app, just go ahead and long press on it. Once you long press on it, you'll see we have this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same page, app info page. From here, scroll down and look for this section called permissions, and under permissions, scroll until you see notifications, and you can see it is turned to yes. So if I tap on it, you can see we have all these types of notifications are on my Timiza loan app. To permanently stop them, go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications if you don't want to turn one by one. And from now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications coming from your Timiza app. So that's how you permanently stop pop-up notifications from your Timiza app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.